Let's talk about that shift, from feeling powerless to being the one in command.
You know that feeling? That deep urge to just throw in the towel and give up?
It's that awful feeling that you've totally messed up, and there's just no coming back.
And you're terrified you'll just make a fool of yourself again. So you stay small.
So you get pushed around, maybe even feel terrorized, and you just keep giving in.
But then, something starts to change. A powerful truth begins to dawn on you.
This is the moment you decide to have a backbone, to find that strength inside you.
And you realize your power doesn't come from your situation. It comes from your attitude.
So right here, right now, this is where you decide to draw the line, period.
First, you put your foot down. Then you stand your ground, and you refuse to back down.
You see that? You're no longer the victim. You are now empowered.
It's a complete 180-degree change. You have officially turned the corner in your life.
And this new energy you have, it just naturally commands respect from everyone around you.
See, respect isn't about your job title. It's earned through the strength of your character.
Suddenly, you're the person others look up to. They're drawn to your conviction.
Listen, you have this power inside you right now. So what are you waiting for?